Imagine a city bustling with activity, where waste management is a critical function. Now imagine if the waste disposal system breaks down. The result would be chaos, with waste piling up causing serious health hazards. The human body is much like that city, with numerous biochemical processes constantly taking place. These processes are essential for life but inevitably produce waste. This waste, if not regularly and timely eliminated, can be harmful. Moreover, we continuously subject our bodies to abuse, consuming foods that are hard for the body to digest. Some people consume too much oily food while others indulge in overly spicy items. The digestion of these foods leaves behind waste that can be harmful if not eliminated. Some of these waste products enter the bloodstream, and it's the kidney's job to filter them out. Kidneys function to filter the blood, eliminating waste, and expelling it from the body. They also have the task of maintaining the body's water balance. In the summer, when we perspire a lot, there's natural water loss, so there's no need for the kidneys to expel excess water through urine. The exact opposite happens in winter. There's no perspiration, and the body needs to get rid of excess water through urine. This balance is maintained as long as the kidneys function smoothly, and there's no accumulation of waste in the blood. However, sometimes, due to various reasons, the kidneys may become dysfunctional. Some diseases like diabetes also contribute to this. In such cases, the blood is not purified, and waste products remain in the blood. The levels of urea and sodium gas in the blood are measured to confirm this. Also, the presence of a chemical called creatinine in the blood increases during such times. In such situations, the blood needs to be purified outside the body with the help of a machine. This process is called dialysis. In this process, the body is connected to a machine known as an artificial kidney. The blood circulates through this machine, where a fluid called a dialysate is also present. The blood doesn't directly come into contact with this fluid. However, there are extremely thin membranes in the machine through which the waste products in the blood can pass into the dialysate. These membranes allow one-way traffic. Once the blood is purified, it is returned to the body. While the kidneys, being part of the body, constantly work to purify the blood, the dialysis machine only works when connected to the body. For more free information like this, join the Arogya Madhumeha Mukti group. If you found this information useful, don't limit it to yourself. Share it on other groups as well.